It is possible to fly without motors, the elder Wright brother once wrote, but not without knowledge and skill. When penning those words some 120 years ago, this American aviation pioneer was contemplating birds and considering how their graceful journeys could translate to human flight. So, it's appropriate the early thoughts of Mississippi State University's own aviation pioneer, Dr. August Raspet, also turned to winged creatures. Almost 50 years after Kitty Hawk's famous flight, Raspet began his research at MSU studying the aeronautics of bird flight, using his sailplanes to trail them in the skies surrounding Starkville. Imagining the possibilities associated with flight. It's what we do today at MSU's Raspet Flight Research Laboratory. It's what we've always done. By 1950, Raspet researchers were focused on low-speed aerodynamics and boundary layer control, putting the lab and the university squarely on the research map. This culminated in the mid-1960s when the Raspet Lab designed, constructed, and flight tested an all-fiberglass aircraft for the Army. Our work in the 1970s, funded by NASA and private industry, focused on reducing aircraft drag. It still resonates today, impacting researchers' understanding of propulsion and aerodynamics. During the late 1980s and early 1990s, Raspet fabricated, assembled, and flight tested the world's first all-composite experimental business jet for the Honda Aircraft Company. That project helped the lab gain tremendous notoriety as the nation's leading incubator of experimental aviation technology. Today's Raspet remains a world leader in composite materials research, and we're imagining and advancing the most challenging frontier of experimental aviation, unmanned aircraft systems. In fact, the state of Mississippi has become America's gateway to unmanned, leading the nation in the advancement of unmanned aircraft system technologies. Aviation is in our DNA. Virtually every commercial plane in the world has at least one component made in Mississippi. And Raspet regularly helps grow aviation-related companies through our role as a technology incubator. By providing work areas, technical training, and access to other university assets, we have supported the development of key aviation and UAS technologies for many aerospace industries in the state. Since 2016, Raspet has seen a tenfold increase in employees and added the Advanced Composites Institute to the Flight Lab's repertoire. MSU students are active participants in all we do. We value their enthusiasm and fresh perspectives and are thankful we can offer them applied experience. Our in-house resources, including an anechoic chamber equipped with best-in-class microphones for sensitive acoustics testing, and our Autonomous Systems Research Lab, are top of the line. Our ground control stations, which serve as fully functioning mobile command centers for UAS test flights, are among the most advanced in the world. Raspet operates the largest and most capable fleet of unmanned aircraft in academic use today. And we put those aircraft to good use, whether developing a system to aid rural hospitals in quickly obtaining medicine, blood, and other critical supplies via drone delivery, to providing real-time, inch-accurate flood assessments to national agencies, to partnering with the Federal Aviation Administration to assess the impacts of UAS-based package delivery, or working with the Army to ensure their UAS can fly cooler, quieter, and with more efficiency than ever before. Raspet is eager to provide solutions to tomorrow's challenges, aiding citizens across Mississippi and around the globe. The Mississippi UAS Partnership, led by Raspet, is the Department of Homeland Security's national UAS test site. Through this partnership, Raspet leads pioneering research, evaluation training, and exercises for our nation's homeland security professionals. Along with its partner universities in the FAA's UAS Center of Excellence, Raspet already conducts the vast majority of safety-related UAS research for civil use. Known as Assure, this Center of Excellence is a leading research coalition of 25 universities and more than 100 government and industry partners. As we celebrate the Raspet Flight Research Laboratory's designation by the FAA as its UAS safety research facility, we are helping write the flight safety plan for unmanned aircraft systems on the eve of this transformational moment in aviation history. In this role, Raspet will validate UAS safety research from around the world, investigate, detect, and avoid systems crucial to airspace integration, and develop recommendations to inform FAA decisions on UAS regulation and safety guidance. Our past is proud, our present is exciting, but it's our future that is most exhilarating. We are thrilled to imagine the possibilities associated with the flights of tomorrow.